If you see how it
the top button go. The top button go thing man.
Oh.
The top button go start record.
Oh, a little record.
Missed it. Got it actually.
Ngandong. Inagandong.
Yeah man. Me and TJ in here kinda coming on the light side. Yeah man, me and TJ they set up the fire stick with the GoPro on it so we can get some shots. Yes sir. But again. People dead. Or no, sorry, not people dead. Bird dead. Yeah. We don't start to never fly yet, but soon. See two parrot there. As they hear as they hear there's something they shift. Like they know what going on in their body. But yeah, like me say, when the shooting start, we jump in.
What?
Too far, man.
Yeah. What does man say? We normally. Yeah. Normally.
Just feel like waste one bullet.
Normally we feed the failure. But based on the rain and all of that, we decided not to this year.
Yeah, it look like it's a wash. Everything was a wash.
Yeah.
Whatever.
And then about 2 years ago, the whole right here, so we bush down all of this, go back to the Crescent Hill. Because this is just one long hill go all the way up with stone and whatever. We used to have stands up in my hills as well, but years since we use them. But we bush down all of this from this side and out to that side. We bush it go all the way up to the crest of the hill, or the foot of the hill. And you know, lack of maintenance, because if you come back here to this, so
bush, you know, so once rain fall upon it. First bird. Yeah man, he go expire. Come for your bird, man. Yeah, I open it, but he not gonna make it. One, oh, I'm low.
what, that one a gone down? Awesome. You be from me over a tree top.
Watch your camera. TJ, really TJ? Really TJ? Alright, you remember when I telling us that TJ a shooter, but TJ a killer? TJ a shooter, but TJ a killer. TJ not kill nothing over here. TJ just a waste bullet. Look how close the bird just come and TJ shoot 3 shots off him and miss. Right in an eye the bird come.
You say?
In barrel bend, man. In barrel bend, that's why.
But me don't know how you been and drop him.
Boy, I don't know what go on. The bird them a come slow still, so early morning, so them a come slow. But TJ not shoot none, I don't know what go on. I be a me nah. He not shoot none. Maybe me have to take the camera off and gun and see if he will make 2 shots in time there. Kick him, look. You just a squeeze, man. She not shoot.
Over your head again, Jung. Over your head.
Look. Look, over here.
Over here, Sir Jung. Shot. What you mean, Jungi?
The bird can't do nothing with food again. Alright, so we are get some birds. We are get them one at a time, one little by little. They are coming in very slowly, but we are get what we can get. 5 gone so far, and I go head down to the van to get my coffee and my things, and hopefully me hear 2 shot fire while me down there. Dewey. But yeah, we are do it. We are do it, man. Yeah, shot boss. Bird dead. Yeah, man, bird. Soon go back around this. I'm gonna collect my coffee and head back out. Sun in our face, you know, so. You know, come down. See him there? See him a stagger up there. See him up there, him injure. You see him? You see him? In the right above you. You know, come down, man. You see him up there? Ow. You can't see him? Come over here, see me up, come over here, man. You can see him from this side there. See him hide behind the branch. Dead. Whole line mash up. That one the last, you know, I don't see where he go. Alright, so the morning shoot kinda done. Kinda done with the morning shoot because the bird them stop fly. We get how much that? 7? We get about 7, couple ball plate, couple white wing. And them might get clean up here now. So get me on dirty or help out. So the morning shoot done.
Well, it's not done till 9 o'clock.
It done. Uno done shoot, so it done.
Yeah, we stop shoot.
So we are gonna do some chefing up in there.
No, no. That's outside. That's outside.
Outside. I come rinse off morning.
Alright, so what kind of wood that you use?
This
Pimento.
No man, beer rum.
Oh,
The beer rum tree will cut down now make it go
it's called a bay tree, it's not a bay rum. It's called
the bay tree, beer rum tree.
Whatever you want to call
or
it.
bay leaf.
The bay leaf tree. Yeah.
Alright. And so him have pear and something. We go him have them bird, them season flower. When I do so much flower. No man, no good man. Don't manage that. Where meat there? Oh, see meat over here, so him pre-cook the meat already from last night. See him bird, you know what?
We no cookie, we
pre-cook it so it can soften up a little bit. How much I wanna go eat out of this?
When you see the amount of people who come here to eat, you go say different.
Okay, sorry sir.
Explain the amount of flour.
Alright, so cooking all go on. Cooking all go on and something. And then we can prepare for the evening show. So yeah, that's all go on.
Need one next big pot like that. Go buy one more. Put salt in it. Record. Yo. Oh.
Blaze up the fire.
Fire night.
Want to catch it up.
I'm never professional.
Blaze it. professional woodcutter and a professional fire fanner.
Fire fanner. And a professional flower kneader.
Flower kneader.
Okay, Joe.
Add them oyster sauce. Should have mixed out you know, as go hard to stir.
How are yourself, man?
Alright, don't Joni.
They say right underneath the pot angle, man. So
Alright, but that too much still.
we want enough gravy.
You don't even see. Don't even see it.
No, we can put some pepper in a one pot, you know.
So this man that just realized that him pot too small, so him
Yeah, man, I forgot buy a next big one like that.
need a bigger pot.
I go up on the construction
Sorry,
site,
man.
go borrow one.
He go borrow one pot. Don't like how the pot they looking at me. I don't want for me food out of that pot.
No say they sit there on video big man. Nothing wrong with the pot.
I drop me a bit.
Construction man pot, brother.
And the meat ready, you know. Look on a piece of bone, they look like everything boil off. Right?
You've got mail.
You know, it's a bubble down there, you know, the pot just too full. So you can't see what's going down there. You have to put my ketchup in there.
Oh man, the oyster sauce enough, you never can no ketchup either.
Won't start water already.
You say, meat a fall apart.
Falling off the bone. Mr. English, tell me about the food. Me done eat off mine already, you know, so me can't give no reviews.
Yeah. Why get food and then want to probably hungry strike.
You dumpling them soft and nice.
No, the brothers soft. They're not tough. Not hard. They're hard with you. They're really soft.
Very good. Yeah, man, I did hungry, man, so before I could have taken out the camera food done. So we're going to sit down. We're going to sit down and wait for the
come right into your barrel or come higher.
the evening shooting. It's done for a couple of hours and wait for the evening
Bird was
shooting.
here though.
TJ they go like, you know what, if he's shy for eating, you know, but no make sure say when
Every
he
year after we done cook and things, we don't eat. You know?
no, but guess what, you go eat. Why?
Just not feel hungry.
Your mouth too stush.
Is that like poison all of us?
Alright, my child.
No, that can't go on because
Everybody.
he went there to witness everything.
No, well.
Everybody have to witness the cooking.
Me did go around the stuff for a minute.
Put something slow.
I don't know what you put in there.
Yeah, slow it down so we can get the bird them.
No, but you have to make the bird man them fast, so you know how you go slow down the shoot at them and the bird man.
Hey! I know it
That
about
if you take off, can I go up? That here is.
Oh, I have to pull up at ya.
What is it? Done with this?
Yeah, man. Yeah, see that woman here on
The man of the killer. The killer is here. All right, we are going at the bush or the common. This that squad here is TJ and Conrad. Conrad, tell you, me I depend on you because be a Miss TJ miss this morning. I don't know, I must have make you, I mean make you nervous. Nice mare come up. Look like a food share look. Are ready? Watch out. Somebody if you just ball out. Yep. One down. Who are run go for him? A good shot. Alright TJ, you prove yourself now. Me like a shot there. Yeah, enough shot of fire. Eh? Me don't know them I look for him. I be a feather. Where bird them? Them a drop man. I be a feather me see a drop. I come down. Them a look, but me don't know. They look like they're afraid to go in the bush. Yeah man, so we there still out there. We just reached on the evening shooting still. Shots are being fired. Conrad just look like he can get one down there so. And them are coming, but them are coming slow still, so we're gonna get as many as we can. Birds dying. Birds dying. You're there. You're there. That sounds good.
I want flock and I see flock coming and dive down.
Yeah. Oh shit. Conrad!
Conrad! Get licky now.
You get weak, yes?
Yeah!
You drop.
Yeah!
You drop.
Go for him. Where
everybody else talking, dropping.
See why one feather come down by itself.
Uncle Kurt, over your head.
None of them. Yeah man, the bird them start coming. No, nothing that.
Uncle,
Bird them start coming, you know.
BJ.
Wrong bird that.
You're right. You're extreme left.
Conrad not shoot off of that man. Conrad over you!
Conrad, shot again. Yubi.
That look like yours, you know. That look like him.
Conrad, jump. Yeah, you be gone for.
Man, a good two and get out of that two there. 2 out of 2. You see pear tree now, I gotta look pear. No shoot. Pick them green pear. Pick a couple of them green pear and see if they were ripe. Cause a bush there, you know, so bush tree. I mean, ow. Most fruit what grow in a bush always good, so. Shots fired. Shots fired. Hey, so anyway. Don't know if they're ready, you know. Me just a pick up here. TJ, get a few. They're bad. Where in there? Where in there? Me not see him.
Where you go?
Him come down? Oh. Alright, I guess me have to go look for one bird. Give me a minute.
Run!
Up in right behind the tree line and them are grown and empty pen.
Alright. The bagger get bigger, you know, the bagger full up.
Why count for the bird?
One little clear one there, one little single one there. Now for that them on the bird man. I said see Conrad come bag out for him. Conrad full out for him. Yeah, Conrad, you make me proud, Conrad. Them man they supposed to bag long time, man. Cause be sure you must have shot to a bus. You be supposed to go and hold it more, man.
Yeah.
Alright. Hey, me I tell you, one piece of rain. One piece of rain over there.
Video them.
Yeah, man, one piece of rain over there. Seeing it a come that way here too. But TJ limit.
Count them there again.
Me not count nothing. we go take them off and count them again still. We'll take them off and count them again still, but in limit. Yo, you feel like breeze just get cool. Yeah man, the rain a come. So we'll take them off.
Oh, you're fine.
No, recount them. I take them off and count them.
You shoot off your head.
Oh, the headless one that?
Yeah.
What we are left down here?
Nothing.
Alright, so TJ limit out. And Conrad limit.
No, take off all of them. You have to take off all of them.
And I just them.
Birds, man. Birds.
No. TJ.
Yo, you come back with a bad one and video, man. How much man? Sure.
Come in, give me a
So
So I have 20 then now?
Yeah. Who's black shell?
TJ. 20 and a half.
What can I carry? Oh, fight. Oh. Alright, Mr. English. The day done, you know, and we get 2 bag, 3 bag. We eat some nice bird in 12 o'clock.
Yeah, courtesy of the chef.
Courtesy of the chef and the dumpling. I don't eat the dumpling though. I say I practice for one, but boy, I'm afraid. But anyway, the festivities done and we are going. So, little more.